There we go. Bit of technical difficulty. Mr. X! But first we have to take on Nightman again. Let's go, guys. With the power of jets. With the power of power, we shall kill stuff. It's not creative, but hey. Aw, curses. Come on! Hoorays. This shall die. Oh! Yes! Whoa! I love this thing. Too close for me. Save state. Shoot. Nope, that's nothing. But it's nice to know I save stated. We're gonna need to find the second exit. Holy! Oh my gosh! Jumpy little sucker. We need to inspect everything very closely. Cracks in walls, you know, the not so obvious stuff. Shoot. Screw you, machine. Haha! I'm cruel. And you didn't get to see the spear, but I'm going to show it to you at the big fight. Maybe. That's cool. Oh, shoot! Thank you. Alright. Oh, shoot. Alright, we got him. Oh, it's you. What needs it? Nothing needs it. Boom. It's nothing. Oh. Let's see if we can hold over 5 energy. Wait. We must have used one. Seriously, what the heck is that? Oh, whoa. I remember this place. Here we go. Let's go to the alternate boss. Oh, don't push me! Oh, wait. I'll need this. Save stated. Jump! Are you ready to get the final letter? He seems angry. Hey, I just noticed. The graphics and everything, the music. It went upgrade. That's a good thing. Whoa. Who knows what his weakness is, but we're gonna try this. Oh! You are so dead. So am I. No needing to charge up with this thing. You guys now know his weakness, an extreme weakness. And like I said, his worst nightmare is something sharp. Not to mention boxers. Whoa. Ah, crap. Easy kill. With muscles. And we get the last letter. Wonder what B E A T does. There it is, Mr. X's castle. There'll be 5 levels. Well, 3 levels until we get to the X's main base. Beat? Cool, I like you. Might become handy. Worthless. This might be helpful. Oops. Definitely getting better at this. What's up with that green thing? Shoot. Alright. I'm stopping it here. Have fun, guys. I just wanted to see what, that looked like. Hey!